I'm using completing the square on question 18. So I want the x squared and x terms on one side and the constant on the other. And you'll notice that we have a coefficient in front of our x squared term. So we want to divide by that because we can't have that when completing the square. So we have x squared plus 5/2 x and then a space is equal to 3/2. So now I'm ready to find my two numbers. So I want to multiply 5/2 by 1/2, or by 1/2. And that will get me 5/4. And then I want to square this. So if you square the top, you get 25. And if you square the bottom, you get 16. So it's the 25/16 that you want to use first. I want to add that to both sides. And you can add 3/2 plus 25/16 on the calculator and get 49/16. So the left turns into x plus 5/4 squared. So that's where we see this number again. And that's equal to 49/16. Then we want to take the square root of both sides. So that's going to eliminate the square. X plus 5/4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 49/16. So I'm going to subtract 5/4 from both sides. And I'm going to split up that radical because I can take the square root of both the top and the bottom because they're both perfect squares. So I have x is equal to -5/4 plus or minus 7/4. Now because all of the radicals are gone, I can actually combine these. So x is equal to -5/4 plus 7/4, and x is equal to -5/4 minus 7/4. So x is equal to 1/2, and x is equal to -3.